With high school and your technology center behind you, what's your next move? The key to start your career in the automotive industry is right here at Oklahoma State University Institute of Technology. Auto service today demands a specialized, versatile skill set, and most dealerships and service centers want to hire employees with industry certifications and a college degree. You can earn both of these credentials in just 2 years at OSU IT.
Cars are so complex today that the average person needs additional training before they can be successful. Our employers expect these students to have the kind of skills necessary to make that customer happy and make them happy the first time. So our job is to make sure that that kind of education goes on here so that they can have successful careers, employers can have successful employees, and customers are happy with the vehicles that they have.
At our campus in Okmulgee, Oklahoma, you will find several of the nation's leading automotive service technician programs to choose from, including the General Motors Automotive Service Educational Program, the Chrysler College Automotive Program, the Ford Automotive Student Service Educational Training Program, and the Toyota Technician Training and Education Network Program. You can also learn to work on a variety of vehicle makes and models through the Independent Service Center program called ProTech. All of these programs are guided by Manufacturer and National Automotive Technicians Education Foundation standards, so you have the opportunity to acquire vehicle manufacturer as well as ASE certifications.
Those certifications are something that's required at the dealership by the manufacturer. When they graduate from our program at the end of 2 years, they're 100% certified with the Ford certifications.
No matter which program you choose, you will learn from experienced, industry-certified instructors.
Customer complaint. I'm going to give each one of you guys one. I want you to read it.
I do more of a team-based type of a strategy on teaching, and it allows them to have more hands-on time. We try and do more application exercises so that I can see if they actually get what we're trying to get across.
ProTech has a comprehensive curriculum designed with input from supporting industry partners. The dealership programs have curriculum provided directly by the vehicle manufacturers.
Sprag and input sprag.
Third sprag and input sprag. Okay, good.
OSU IT has advisory groups for each of their programs that consist of dealers and dealer personnel from service departments that discuss the curriculum, talk about things that they may see in the students that they need to work on. And so each program is right on top of the latest technology that they need to be working on to produce the best students.
You don't have to adjust to lasers.
Technology, really, we're step for step. Everything we've got up down here, we've got up there. All this as far as the diagnostic tools, specialty tools, we've got it all at OSU IT and down here. So I mean, we're pretty complete.
With all the interactions I have with the OSU IT group, I think they do a very good job because they do listen to our recommendations. They do take our take our advice about how to further these guys along, and I think that they actually do more than just show them how to work on cars. I think that they're trying to prepare them for the real world.
We have to determine at this point with no refrigerant flow, we do have a compressor that has internal failure.
Okay. The opportunity for real-world experience plays a big role in every program. A specially designed schedule really keeps it interesting. 7 to 8 week periods are alternated between hands-on classroom learning and paid internships at participating employers. You earn while you learn, even before you graduate.
It's just a win-win situation. It's a win for the student because he can learn while he's earning. It's a win for the dealership because they're learning in real time, real life at the dealership.
Between going to school and being in an internship, confidence level's better than it's ever been. I leave school and I come to work when I'm on internship, and I get enough knowledge to where I believe that I don't ever have to second guess myself. I'm always sure of what I'm doing. So even if I do, there's plenty of people around to help me out. So that's part of the internship. You're learning from others.
And it also has some of the engine RPM and engine codes, I guess, too, so you can have to look at those.
Oh yeah, it tells you if there's any codes in there.
Well, the good thing about having a relationship with OSU IT is when the students come out of the classroom, they already have most of their training underneath their belt, and they're pretty much, once they graduate, they're they're ready to hit the ground running with just a little bit of mentoring from the other technicians.
You can't get into this field without some type of schooling. And this here just opens the doors for them and puts them right into the field, and it helps us, because I mean, when they come in, they know what they're doing, and it just works right into it. So it's a great deal. It's a great deal for all of us.
The people here make you feel at home, real easy to work, and you get to apply all the knowledge that you pick up in school.
And internships do more than reinforce what you've learned on campus. The contacts you make prove invaluable upon graduation. There's nearly a 100% job placement rate among students in OSUIT's automotive service programs. The Associate in Applied Science degree also includes general education courses. Employers rely heavily on those skills to make their businesses successful.
Well, there's so many skills that are learned over at OSUIT as far as communication, which is very important in dealing with the public, writing skills, being able to write up a ticket properly. So you get a well-rounded student and employee that comes from OSUIT.
Learning how to work on cars is just one piece of the puzzle. You have to have some good social skills to learn how to deal with the people around you. You have to have a good base of common sense and logic and how to use the resources around you to fix the vehicles.
No matter which program you choose, GM, Chrysler, Ford, Toyota, or ProTech, as an OSUIT graduate, you will be trained not only to excel as a certified automotive service technician,
Yes, hub is moving.
but to understand new systems and technologies as they are introduced in the future.
Education's going to be, the real key for the future for these technicians to be prepared for what's being offered in vehicles today and what will be offered in vehicles of tomorrow.
100 years from now, we're still going to have cars, transportation vehicles that have failures, that have to be repaired, and we need those people that have the technical skills to be able to make that happen.
I'm excited to be out, ready to get started and actually working. And I've learned a lot here, especially know a lot more than what I did whenever I came here, so and I like it a lot.
It's a good opportunity. It definitely gives you all the tools you need to be successful in the field I'm going into here at the dealership to be a technician. When you have the desire to be better at something, and then you have the opportunity to gain all the knowledge necessary to be good at what you need to do, it's a pretty good deal.
It's a whole growing process for them. You'll see them come in as young, immature, and then by the time they graduate, they're young men that's got a career and a future.
Those 2 years of being at OSU helped me immensely on my confidence level, just my knowledge, my all-around automotive skill. The choice to go to OSUIT was probably one of the best choices I've made in my life.
Are you ready to start your career working on some of the most technologically advanced vehicles in the world today? Then unlock your potential in the automotive service industry here at Oklahoma State University Institute of Technology. Come visit our campus and find out which program is right for you. Schedule your personally guided tour today.